Hi, thanks for visiting my channel, A to Z eLearning Ally. I appreciate you subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications for upcoming videos. Thanks so much for your continued support by clicking the like button as well. Do you have to combine separate Microsoft Word documents? If they are short, you can simply copy and paste them together. Other than that, you can merge them if they are long. In this video, I'll walk you through how to merge several Word documents in Microsoft 365. Alright, let's get started. Once you open a blank document, select the Insert tab. Next, click the drop-down arrow next to Object. And then select Text from File. In this example, I'll merge Design Document, Instructional Job Aid, and Implementation in order, but they don't appear in my desired order in the file list. Therefore, once I select the first file, Design Document, I'll select the Insert button. Next, after selecting the second file, I'll select the Insert button. Then, after selecting the last file, we can select the Insert button as well. As you see here, all three files are merged in my desired order. As another example, if we want to merge these documents in the order in which they appear in the file list, we can select them at once by dragging and releasing, or select one document and then press and hold Ctrl to select more than one document. Then we can select the Insert button to have the merged documents in our desired order. Alright, if you found it useful or informative, please click the like button and subscribe button to see more videos in the future. If you prefer, turn on the notifications to be informed at once. If you want to see me cover any other topics or have any questions, suggestions related to my videos, please leave a note down below or email me at a-z-elearningally@outlook.com to share your insights. Thanks for watching and see you next time.